Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Toyota Highlander Easy Guide. Start by sketching a long rectangle for the body and a smaller rectangle for the cabin, then mark 2 equal circles for wheels. Add a gently sloping roofline and define the hood and rear bumper lightly. Refine window shapes, door seams, wheel arches, and mirror placement. Keep lines loose, adjust proportions, and erase construction marks as you go. Begin shaping the body using smooth, confident strokes that follow the vehicle's silhouette. Establish the roofline and hood curvature, then place wheel arches so the wheels sit naturally under the body. Draw door seams and window divisions with light guidelines, making sure proportions feel balanced. Emphasize the front grille area lightly and suggest headlamp shapes without heavy detail. Keep perspective consistent and check symmetry before refining. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials and quick tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reference reading on the go comfortable and bright, perfect for gathering inspiration while sketching. Check the description to find the link and other deals for the product I mentioned and more useful tools. Thanks for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on detailing the front grille, headlights, and bumper using small deliberate lines to communicate character without overworking the drawing. Suggest hubcaps and basic tire tread to ground the car, and add subtle panel lines for doors and trunk. Use light hatching to show shadow under the body, inside wheel wells, and beneath mirrors for believable volume. Keep contrast modest and preserve highlights to maintain a clean, illustrative look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.